We are here today to celebrate the long gray line of West Point graduates. Welcome to the ring melt ceremony for the class of 2020. Today, rings will be melted into a solid gold bar that will be added and used to forge the class rings for the class of 2020.
Colonel Raymond P. Campbell.
Colonel James E. Coleman. Colonel Harlan W. Tucker.
Colonel Bruce B. Bailey.
All of the 2020 rings will contain gold not only from today's ring melt, but also from every ring that has been donated since the program's inception.
Lieutenant General John Norton.
Major Alexander B. Culbertson.
The rings were worn by graduates who served in the Army, the Marine Corps, Air Force, and the Coast Guard.
Mr. Douglas C. Fitzgerald. Major Randall A. Carlson.
Colonel Samuel W. Smithers.
The legacy gold representing the service and sacrifice of these donors will combine with the gold of the rings of the graduates represented today to ensure that the tradition of duty, honor, and country and the long gray line will remain physically and symbolically with the class of 2020 as they proudly wear their class rings.
Mr. John C. Brenner.
Colonel Warren C. Olson. Captain Robert B. Wilson II.
And placing the legacy gold into the crucible is the class president, Cadet Joshua Phillips.
The meaning of these rings reaches far beyond any material value. They represent the values that are instilled in us through our tenure as cadets. They represent the call to duty that we will answer when we are commissioned into the United States Army. They represent the highest standard of honor to which we hold ourselves and our peers. They represent the country we have all sworn to defend with our lives. And most importantly, they represent a unique and eternal bond to our brothers and sisters in arms who have gone before us.